Got a flat tire? Don't panic. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix it and get back on the road safely and confidently. First, pull over to a flat, safe location away from traffic. Turn on your hazard lights and set the parking brake. Grab your spare tire jack and lug wrench. You'll usually find them in a compartment under the trunk floor or inside a side panel. If you don't have wheel wedges to keep the car from rolling, use a rock or a sturdy piece of wood instead. Use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Don't remove them yet, just break the resistance. Place the jack under your vehicle's jacking point. Check your owner's manual for the exact location. Raise the car until the flat tire is completely off the ground. Now fully remove the loosened lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Align the spare tire with the wheel bolts and hand tighten the lug nuts onto it. Lower the car slowly until the spare tire touches the ground. Then tighten the lug nuts using a crisscross pattern. This ensures even pressure and a secure fit. And that's it. You're back on the road. Just remember, spare tires are temporary. Get your original tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. From tech tips to everyday fixes. Got a problem you want solved? Leave it in the comments. We've got you covered.